Today we're going to be trying out this Tagger patch muffler tailpipe quick patch stuff. I ain't never used this product. I have used the JB Weld product. It's like 20 bucks. This is like $7. Big difference. You get about the same amount, but this will not hold up to headers. You know, close to the manifolds, coming off the manifolds from your engine. You know, your header exhaust pipe will not work. Now back towards the tailpipe, this works. It can withstand that heat. Now this is for patching muffler holes and everything. As you can see, this is the part number. You should be able to see everything. I got a GoPro on my head, don't know if it's focused, but yeah, it's pretty simple. We don't have to have no activation solution. We got 2 inches wide, 36 inches long patch here. It should work. So this patch holes, rust holes and pipes and stuff. It will also, what we're using it for today, patch bad welds. We got the ML430. It didn't have no exhaust on it when we got it. The Cadillac converters was missing, so we built custom exhaust. Before I get under it, you just want to peel all this brown paper off of this as you go. Make sure that both sides of this clear gasket is peeled off. Now, if it's under 70 degrees, preheat your exhaust. I had this running already. It ain't been running long, but about 5 minutes. So these ain't too bad of welds with a flux core with the size wire I was using, but they're not the best welds. I'm not good at overhead with small wire. Usually if you want to do exhaust work, you want to use a really big thick wire, so you can pretty well, you know, cover the edge in one pass and won't have to weave, and like I did. So I might have to cut this to cover both ends because all this is new pipe. But who knows? We'll see. Okay. Let's fix all these bad welds with this tire stuff. Okay, we might need that just a tad bit tighter. Yeah, it needs to be a little bit warm. That's actually sealed up pretty good on this side. That side's not. We can just tell it. That's a nice feature. Okay, so be careful not burn yourself with your sofa back. You should have gloves on when doing this, some thick gloves, but this should shrink. It should anyway. As that gets hot, should be good. Let's go ahead and try to do this side. That's nice. Now I'm going to get me some gloves and just work this, because this is hot to the touch and it's getting creamy, or whatever you want to call it. It's melting what it's doing. But we have no leaks here anymore, so that's good. Now when your exhaust starts to get kind of extremely hot, take gloves. Now you're going to probably get goo all over them, but you can basically work this a little bit tighter, and that should crush up as it seals. You want to wrap it as tight as you can get it. And that's what the heat does. It just goos it all up, you know, make it stick. So since we got these welds fixed now, it's not leaking. Before I let it run fully cure itself, I'm going to do the one that is actually leaking bad, which is this side. So once you get it applied, give it 20 minutes at idle to do its thing. It's got to harden up and stuff, so I'm gonna let this idle 20 minutes and then we'll come back and check it out. So it's 20 minutes. It's been idling actually 30 minutes. Let's crawl under it and take a look. So everything is kind of gooey, and I say it could be driven. Needs to be driven. But you can see it melts. Looks like it's actually shrunk. It has. It's been shrinking. So I guess after so many heat cycles, this stuff shrinks up. What do I think about this product? Well, it stopped the leak. And exhaust sounds a lot better on it for homemade exhaust. Oh, yeah, I give this product a 10. For $7, that's worth a try. But you don't get much. I wish I'd give you like a 100-foot well where you could wipe the whole pipe a couple times all the way down instead of a small hole. But it is what it is. If you're new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for watching. And hopefully you enjoyed. And I'll see you next time.